Good morning, dear students. I will teach chapter 8 body movements. I will teach chapter 8 body movements. Introduction. In different groups of animals, from unicellular organisms like amoeba to human beings, there is a progressive increase in the complexity of body organization, and a series of organs and organ system have developed, and these different organs and organ systems serve the various needs of organisms. For example, the digestive system performs the functions of nutrition, respiratory system helps in breathing and gaseous exchange, and circulatory system is for internal transport of materials. To support and protect the organs of the different systems and to keep the body upright, a rigid framework called the skeleton or skeletal system is present. This system also helps in movement. Skeletal system helps in movement and show by living organism. In introduction, it is given body movements. Now question is arises here, what is organ and what is organ system? Cell, smallest unit is the cell. Cells make the tissue make the organs, and organs make the different organs make the organ system. Different types of system in human body, that is the skeletal system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, digestive system, and different types of systems in the body, and different organs are there, and particular different organs perform the different functions, and this system and among them one system is the skeletal system, and skeletal system is help in the movement shown by the living organism. Living organism shows movement. And in introduction, our body is made up of different organs and organ system, and body different types of complexity in the body organization, and some organism just like unicellular made up of one single cell, they are called the unicellular. Examples amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. And multicellular organism, body is made up of more than one cells is called the multicellular organism, just like human beings, mammals, etc. Now second topic is the movement and locomotion. What is movement and what is locomotion? What is movement? Movement means only change in the position of only one part of the body, that is called the movement. And locomotion, movement from when animals move from one place to another in search of food and in search of shelter, etc. So we can say that all living organisms show some type of movement. That is the animals, however, move more freely. It is obvious when you call your pet dog, it comes running. The same is not true of a tree. This ability to move has been used as a criterion to differentiate plants and animals, though movement is quite common in plants. In plants also movement is there, that is the geotrophic or phototrophic, and it is not always apparent. Animals possess definite organs for locomotion. And now here we will discuss about what is locomotion and what is movement. The act of moving from one place to another is known as locomotion. What is the locomotion? Moving from one place to another place in search of food, in search of shelter, in search of reproduction. They move from one place to another, and it involves the movement of the whole body, as in walking, running, swimming, or flying. That is the locomotion. And movement is the change in position of only a part of the body, as movement of stem towards light in plants. Movement is the change in position of only a part of the body, as movement of stem towards light in plants. Movement is the change in the position of only one part of the body, as movement of stem towards light in plants. Why animals need locomotion? Locomotion is necessary. And why animals need locomotion? As we know that locomotion helps the animals in many ways. And look at the mode of nutrition in plants and animals. Plants are autotrophic. What is the autotrophic? Auto means self, trophic means nutrition. Auto means self, trophic means nutrition, means plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. That's why they are called the autotrophic. Word should be clear. Autotrophic. Auto means self, trophic means nutrition. Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. That's why plants are called the autotrophic. While animals are heterotrophic. Animals are heterotrophic. Hetero means others. Hetero means others. Trophic means nutrition. Hetero means others. Trophic means nutrition. Heterotrophic means animals are heterotrophic. They dependent on others for the food. That's why animals are called the heterotrophic. What is mean is that plants can prepare their own food even while being fixed at a particular place. Animals have to move from one place to place in search of food, since they are heterotrophic. Animals, plants cannot, means just like in human beings or just like in animals, plant cannot move like this, but movement is also happens in the plants. And so just like animals, plants cannot move. So animals have to move from one place to another in search of food, since they are called the heterotrophic. They are dependent on others for the food. And locomotion helps the animals to move in search of food. And why locomotion? And locomotion helps animals to move in search of food. If they are living in that situation, if food is not available, then they move from one place to another. So while locomotion is necessary, so we can say that locomotion enables animals to move from an favorable place or environment to a favorable place or environment. Means locomotion is, if we are living in unfavorable conditions, means we cannot live in that situation, then we can move. So animals to move from an unfavorable places or environment to the favorable place or environment, and it helps them to escape from their enemies and predators. And this help them to escape from their enemies and predators. And it helps animals to find their partners for the reproduction. Why animals need locomotion? First one is the locomotion enables animals to move from an unfavorable place or environment to a favorable place or environment, and it helps them to escape from their enemies and predators. And it helps animals to find their partners for reproduction and to move to favorable areas for egg laying or rearing of the young ones. So this is all about for the locomotion. Till here you will read.